Hey double majors, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another try on haul. You guys know one of my favorite videos to film and one of my favorite videos to watch. I love hauls. So today we're going to be trying a new online website. This place is called the Africanmall. You guys may have heard of it. I hadn't heard of it, but maybe you have. I don't know. They reached out to me to do a video with them, and so I picked out a couple of pieces. And as you guys know, I like to do it to where I haven't opened anything up. I haven't tried anything on. I'm going to do it with you guys here for the first time. Why do I want to play my hair right now? I don't know, but So without further ado, if you guys love haul videos, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe before we even get started. That way you don't forget at the end. And we can go ahead and get started. Yay! Okay, so one thing that I am noticing when I opened up the package is that things do come in these like plastic bags, which I like and I don't like. I like it because everything is like separated and folded up nicely, but this is not good for the environment. On the front of this says Jurly She. Find us on www.africanmall.com. So first of all, let me talk about the website, how easy it was to like navigate, and the shipping. So it took my packages 2 different separate orders to get to me. I believe altogether it had to have taken like maybe 3 weeks. I think something went out of stock and it came back in stock. So I would just say it took a while. Ooh, the sun is coming out. Yes. Yes. And then other than that, like I said, the website it doesn't have a very extensive like inventory. There's only like a few items. I didn't feel like everything was like super cute or super my style. I just chose a few things that I thought that maybe I could possibly see myself wearing, maybe kind of sort of like. I wasn't quite sure, but yeah, so when I first picked up some items, I was still on pink vibes, which I am still on pink vibes, but I'm not buying any more pink because I got enough pink. So some of the stuff is going to be pink, and then some of the stuff is going to be like later on, because I believe the lady contacted me and said like, oh, the items that you wanted are like no longer in stock. They're out of stock, so you have to choose something else. And I was just like, okay, I didn't really like that, but it is what it is. So anyway, enough with the blabbering. Let's go ahead and open up this first piece. That's pink. Okay. So the first thing that I'm seeing is that there are tags, but they're not actually attached. Again, this is the brand Jurly She. It's from the Jurly She collection. I don't know what that means. I've never heard of that brand other than this, but if you were wondering. So this is what the piece looks like. I honestly don't remember any of this, you guys, because it's been so long since I've gotten anything. But it is like this ribbed, I wouldn't call this a sweater material, but it's like a, oh, I love this kind of pink. Oh, such a pretty color. So it is a ribbed dress, and it has open zippers on the front. It's like a zipper on the front and a zipper on the back. So this looks like a mini skirt. I don't know how short it's going to be, but I think this could be really, really cute, really casual, or yeah, I would wear this more casually than I would dress it up. But I love the color. I don't know what size I got this in, but it looks like it's a little bit big, so that probably means it's gonna fit. And I'm very curious too. Oh, that's interesting. Like the zipper goes all the way from the back to the front, so you can open it up however much you want to. So maybe you can make it like an open back and like an open V in the front. I don't know. We'll see when we try it on. Okay, so I don't really know how we starting off right now, but I already told y'all I love the color. Love the color, love the color, okay? Don't get me started with these eyes and this hair and this color. Please don't get me started, okay? Please don't get me started, honey. Show up to the cookout. Who are you? No, I'm just kidding. But okay, but the actual dress itself is not like all that spectacular. I had difficulties figuring out what I wanted to do with the zipper. Like I showed you guys, you can zip it basically all the way through in the front and in the back. So I zipped it up like right above my bra strap, and I zipped it down just to a significant amount of cleavage, nothing too much. The material feels like long johns. Like it's so casual. There's no way, personally, I feel like that you can dress this up anything more than this. And it's really, really short. I don't know if I show you guys that either, but it's like, see how long my arms are? It's really short. I don't mind it. You guys can see, whoop. Yeah, it cuffs the booty, okay? Other than that, I can see myself wearing this maybe with like a plaid flannel. Let me get one more. So I actually brought options. I couldn't tell if I wanted to do either like a black and white flannel like this, around my waist, just because your whole guts are out in this, okay? So maybe like this with like some all black Converse and like a hat. I don't know, maybe, I don't know, maybe. I'm not in love with this. I don't really know how it's, I can't find myself styling it one way. I'm gonna try the blue shirt now. It's like a cambray shirt. I forgot what it's called. I like the blue and the pink together. That's all, those colors always complement each other. So maybe I wear it like this. Maybe I would wear it with like a big jean jacket over top of it. I don't know. I don't really know how I want to wear this. Okay, the next item is also pink, and once again it says the Jurly brand. So looks like I really like Jurly. Didn't even know it. Once again, this does have the tags in the bag, but they're not on the items. And let's see, this like I don't even know what I'm opening, but more pink, you guys. Pink just makes me so happy. This is my happy color. Okay, so this is a pink duster, and it is like a regular cardigan material. It's light pink. It looks like it's pretty long. It goes all the way down. It has like these slits here on the sides, and also the front has like a waterfall detail. It looks like it's supposed to be long sleeves, but I know myself, I'm probably gonna scrunch it up to make it 3/4 length. And it does, as you see, come with a tie. So this is gonna be really nice to wear maybe like for summer nights, because you can put on all white and then try that on, or I guess you could do all black, but I'm just hot thinking about all black. So I just have on, as you guys can see, a white off the shoulder top. Maybe something I will wear with it. Maybe not, because it's off the shoulder. But let us see. Let me go ahead and put the little string in. So first thing I'm noticing is that this is very, very thin. Like you can definitely see whatever I have underneath of here. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm trying to say. All I'm gonna say is it's cute to add like a pop of pink to your wardrobe or to like your outfit or whatever, but it's not gonna add any extra, no warmth, and no like, I don't know, material, or I don't know. It's very casual to me too. Like the material of it is very, very casual. Okay, so we're out of the pink things. This next item is in a different bag, as you guys can see. This says medium right here. This reminds me of, and if you guys can see here, this has maybe you can't see, but I think that's Chinese writing right there. So I do believe that they get their stuff. It is like a Chinese wholesale type situation. Okay, let's see. So this item is like a camel brown crop top shirt. So you can see here it goes off the shoulder, or maybe it's supposed to be, it's on the shoulder, but it's like a deep V and a crop top with this tie in the front, and then it is long sleeves. Oh, but they're like bubble sleeves. I love bubble sleeves. And then they have a cup at the end. This material is actually really nice. It looks really thick to where I think I could wear like no bra with this, which is nice because it seems like I need that. The bottom doesn't seem to have an elastic, which is the only thing I feel like I would want added to this. And the strings look like they are rough cut. They don't have any stitching around them, which makes it look a little bit less put together, and it looks a little bit big, but again, we'll see when we try it on. So all right, I'm just trying these on with the regular black leggings that I had on before, but I'm trying to figure this top out. I don't hate it, but something about it is weird. Let me try and retie this little midsection. Maybe I need to not wear a bra with this and have like a little bit of under boob. That's kind of cute. And maybe if I like brought it off the shoulder a little bit. That's cuter. That's cuter, right? A little, maybe not that far, but like here. I don't know, this little bow area, because this isn't like, I don't know, like this, because it's, oh, now it wants to stay. But y'all get what I'm saying. Like I told you guys, this is like rough cut, so to me it just looks a little bit cheap, and it makes the shirt like awkward. But you know, when you put it off the shoulder like this with the little I love sleeves, okay? This is what it looks like in the back. So it's not too short. I just wish that the bottom had something going on as far as like elastic or something. It needs something. This shirt needs something, because when it's on the shoulder, it just has a weird shape to it. Like, it makes it really, it's not so easy to wear. But I mean, actually this looks fine. I don't know. So I don't know what I was thinking with this next item. It also doesn't say what size I got it in, but this is what it looks like in the packaging. Again, I didn't love everything on the site. I just picked out some things that maybe I thought that I would like. Whoa, okay, you know what? This isn't that bad. The material does it. Like, this is a really thin, slinky material. It is like this black color with a lot of silver. You guys can see when it like kind of hits the sunlight, it has like this silver iridescent sparkle, so much so that the whole dress is just like a charcoal. I like it because it is just a nice bodycon, and then it has this cute detail at the neckline. I think that I will actually really like this. It says that it's by the brand Wanna This, and it's in a size medium, so let's try this on. I have high hopes for this dress. Wow, I am pleasantly surprised by this dress. Oh my god. Wait a minute, wait a minute. Hello? I know y'all, I know y'all. Wait a minute. This dress is freaking bomb. Like, this dress is so nice. It's like, again, it's the perfect, really thin material to wear. I feel like you could wear this at a nice summer night. So if it's like cold outside, you're not gonna get cold in this because it's long sleeve, but it's thin. I love this detail up top. I feel like it's really, really different, but the dress is still very, very simple, you know. Of course, ignore my bra straps. I didn't take these down, but pretend like they're not there. And then it fits so well. Like, it's just the right length, and it's this like little shiny material is so flattering, and I feel like it makes my butt look big. See how long it is? I love this dress. What? This dress is it. And I usually don't like gray on me, but I can see a nice gray smoky eye, okay? I really like this dress. Ooh, y'all gonna see this dress a little bit too often, honey. I'm warning you now. So this next piece is also a medium. This is what the packaging looks like. Again, everything kind of comes a little bit different. I think that's why it took so long, because these probably come from different places. Okay. We've got more sparkle. Again, I don't know where I'm wearing this stuff to, but this is really cute. This reminds me of the dress that I wore for that New Year's Eve party that I went to. I'll leave a picture of it right here. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at BrelynnBarbie. Duh. But this is so cute. It has the back out and it's halter top. I like this. I think that you definitely have to wear like nipple covers, I think, for this, but other than that, this is actually really, really cute. And I can't tell if it is tight fitting or if it's a flare out, but I don't know where I'm gonna wear this to, but it's so pretty. I love this. So wow, this dress fits perfect. This dress fits perfectly. Look at the little boobs that just made me look like I have that I don't really have. And then look, y'all, the back is all out, and like the bottom is tight fitting, but look, it fits like a glove. Like, there's no extra fabric. It fits perfectly. Like, this is the perfect black dress. I feel like I want to wear this like my birthday weekend, like, you know, maybe not the one on my actual birthday, but like the day before my birthday. You could, if you got boobs, you could do a little side boob with this one. You could do a little ooh. I love this dress. It's actually really nice and it's pretty comfortable. I feel like this is such a nice dress. Like, you could wear this too if it was like your friend's birthday, you know, and she's looking good and shiny, but you don't want to overdo her, but you still want to look cute. So you put on a nice little black shiny little thing. I love this dress. This is a good one, y'all. 10 out of 10. This place, it may be kind of hit or miss, but this is a hit. This right here is a hit, okay? Yes. The next and the last item is again in this like weird packaging with the Chinese barcode on it. But let's open it up. It looks like I got some red. I wonder if this looked pink online. Knowing me, I probably thought it was pink. But this is what it looks like. So, okay. I don't know if you guys can see the details here, but it has like some sheer lining through it, basically. I don't know, what do you call this? Just some sheer mesh throughout it. This dress, oh, and the back is also sheer. It's really hard for you guys to tell the difference, but see how this part right here is not sheer and this part is sheer. So this is mesh and this is not. I think the material is just really, really, really thin. Like it has nothing underneath of it. But overall, the dress isn't bad. I mean, I guess it's supposed to be, like I said, a going out dress. But the material doesn't seem like it's really going to hug you, fit you, squeeze you, love you. So I don't know how good this dress is going to be. But I will try it out and see. Okay. You know, this one ain't bad. This one is not bad at all. I'll show you guys the top here. Excuse the nips, but I think that this is cute. It gives just the right amount. This dress, first of all, is really, really comfy. It's because it just feels like a one little thin piece of whatever this is. Back here, it's like you can't really tell that it's see-through, but like if I wore something under it, you would be able to tell, kind of thing. And then the bottom is the skirt is a really comfortable length like this. I think the booty looks good in it. I don't know, I'm really comfortable in this dress. It's not something that I'm like, oh, I look good in this, like, oh, let me put on that red thing. It's kind of just like, okay, like somebody was like, oh, let's go out. I'd be like, okay, I got a dress I could wear and I would put this one on. You know, it's cute. I love that black one though. Like the other two, I think this one is okay. I think the other two were just so good that it made me be like, this is just okay. But the other two were just like so bomb. Like I want to wear those like this weekend, but this one I'm like, I look good. So those are all of the items that I got from Africanmall.com. If you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have shopped at African Mall, like if that is your tried and true online secret shopping spot, let me know down below. Or if you've never heard of it before, but you think you want to try it out now, also let me know that down below. Tell me what is your favorite piece that I got today, and what do you think I should wear on my Instagram next? I'm really excited to try these pieces out. I can't wait to try them on first because, like I said, you know what it looks like, but I don't yet. And I hope they look great. I think that's the end of this video. So check out Africanmall.com. I will leave the links to everything that I purchased down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.